Section 2: The responsibilities of a mentee. The responsibilities of a mentee. The mentor-mentee relationship's workload should not be borne only by the mentor. While the mentor should be accessible for assistance and consultation, the mentee must also fulfill certain tasks. With these obligations, a mentee may make the most of their mentoring relationship. Number 1. Be a good listener. One of the most crucial aspects of being a mentor is practicing active listening. This implies you should constantly be open to suggestions, as well as good and negative comments. Great mentors are not always cheerleaders, they will tell you where you need to improve and provide tools to help you. It's up to you to make the most of their recommendations. Number 2. Be prompt and consistent. As the mentee, you are responsible for communicating with your mentor on a regular basis. If you've scheduled a video chat, a phone conference, or a meeting, arrive early. This is not only professional practice, but it is also a polite gesture to honor your mentor's important time. Number 3. Learn and prepare. Take the time to practice your mentor's instructions and prepare for upcoming meetings. While a mentor may guide you to success via guidance and support, you should learn and grow on your own by putting their lessons into practice. The more you prepare and study, the more you will benefit from your mentoring relationship. Number 4. Discuss your future. Be open about your professional goals and meet with your mentor on a regular basis to discuss your progress toward them. This will let you and your mentor set expectations, assess how you're doing, and identify areas for improvement. Number 5. Follow up on your conversations. Consider maintaining a comprehensive record of your talks with your mentor. This helps you to follow up on talks and address the short and long-term objectives mentioned in your meetings. And number 6. Show appreciation. Expressing thanks to your mentor is critical for sustaining a successful, long-term mentor-mentee relationship. Even a brief, professional thank you message may convey how much you value their advice and help. Mentoring may be a valuable tool for attaining success when combined with a strong work ethic, realistic expectations, and a well-defined set of professional objectives. Even if you don't notice immediate benefits, the wisdom, counsel, and recommendations you receive can help you for years to come. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post new videos. Provide your feedback in comments. You can download material from the below links under video.